back, my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more work from home job leads for you. I'll keep today's videos as short as possible so you can get your Friday back. So today we have a healthcare data entry work from home job lead for you. This is not going to require any actual healthcare experience. The company is Valenz Healthcare. Now, they only have 18 reviews on Glassdoor, so just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, so please do your own research before giving your personal information to any of these companies. They have a 2.9 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor. Now, normally I do not share anything that is not a 3.0 or higher. However, this is a very sought after data entry position, so I just thought I would share, let you come read the reviews and make your own decisions. But they are hiring a data entry specialist. Now, this is remote, I do believe, for the United States only. They're a growing healthcare company. They're looking for somebody to enter their health practitioners or doctors, providers, data into their database and index all corresponding documents appropriately. So you'll prepare electronic files for computer entry by compiling and sorting the information. You'll process the source documents by reviewing the data for any errors before you enter them. You'll locate and correct any data errors or reporting issues to management. You'll maintain logs of completed work, and you'll verify that all documents are legible, correctly ordered, and have the stamped date on them. Now, as far as what they are looking for, they're just looking for somebody who's 1 year experience in some kind of data entry or data verification. So as long as you have experience typing something into a computer, no actual healthcare experience is needed. Now, it does say experience working in the healthcare industry is a plus, but it is not required. They are looking for somebody who has great verbal and written communication skills and experience working in a fast-paced environment. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. That's going to be dependent on location and experience and need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but they do offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.